Hey everybody, Justin Sehner here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your store's conversion rate and make more money with the Shopify Release theme. Really powerful, one of my favorites. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to teach you how to raise your conversion rate, how to make more sales, how to make more money. This is how to do it the right way. And your store's theme truly plays a massive role in conversion rate and sales. And it doesn't matter what you're selling. Print on demand, digital products, drop shipping, custom products, personalized products, whatever it is, every single Shopify store needs to increase their conversion rate. And it's really pretty straightforward, right? Conversion rate, the idea of how many sales from 100 clicks. Let's say you have a 5% conversion rate, you're going to make 5 sales out of every 100 visits. So obviously, if you can do anything you can to increase your conversion rate, you're going to make more money and make more sales without doing anything else. And a really popular strategy is to use the Release Shopify theme to increase conversion rate, save on monthly app fees, and significantly boost your customers' engagement in your store. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you exactly how this works. There are some pain points when it comes to picking a theme. There are lots and lots and lots of basic, overused, saturated themes for Shopify. And the question becomes, how are you going to stand out? Because you need to stand out in this super competitive e-commerce world. And when it comes to themes, you need to find a theme that allows for easy customization, regardless of what products you're selling. You need to find a theme that's easy to use, easy to customize, easy to operate. And that's why I highly recommend the Shopify Release theme. It's incredibly easy to use. It looks amazing. You can customize it for any type of product. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you the back end of Release. I'm going to show you customizing and just how easy it is. You see the Release theme right over here. Link directly below this video. And this is going to totally allow you to impress your customers. Contemporary, clean, stylish. Works for clothing, fashion, jewelry, accessories, really any catalog size, any type of products, physical products, digital products. Anytime you want to have some visual storytelling, you're going to want to use the Release theme. Really, really cool, super fast, works very well in terms of load time, and has all the features that you could ever dream for. It's really great for products that are going to look great when they're shown. If you have any type of product that you have, some nice video for, some nice photo for, some nice lifestyle photo for, from some nice user-generated content, right? All those key things going to work really well. Really cool features as well, like cart notes, feature for in-store pickups, a nice slide-out cart or a sticky cart. Really cool features here that you would be paying, $10, $20, $30, $50, $100 a month for different Shopify apps. You're going to have blogs and in-menu promos, promo banners, right? Promo pop-ups, stock counters, promo tiles, FAQ page, again, all these things that you would be using apps for. You get this all built into the Release theme. Really cool animation, color swatches for merchandising, of course, tons of different image galleries and image options, even product options and shipping delivery information. Really all about conversion rate, right? Of course, things like size chart, product videos, slideshows, that's all included right in here. Breadcrumbs as well, collection page navigation, all things to make usage of the site as easy as possible, right? And the user experience, super important, and not only for English speakers, but multi-currency, multilingual ready as well, built into Shopify Markets right inside of the theme. So it's really got everything in terms of features and a whole lot more. I'm going to go over the shoulder now, and I'm going to show you the demo over here. And then we're going to go and actually take a look at the back end of loading this up. So here's the Release theme, and this is kind of the demo that they show you when you go ahead and take a look at it. And of course, you'll be able to install this inside of your own Shopify store, and all of your products, all of your pages, of course, will replace all of this content. But you see a super, super high-end look when it comes to this theme. And of course, it looks really, really great on mobile as well, as you see that we kind of click into the mobile view. And this is important because, of course, for us, 80% of our traffic coming from mobile, you probably have similar numbers. So really want to make sure that it looks good on desktop and mobile. See the really cool interactive menu over here. It kind of gets stuck up here, the sticky menu. It changes color as well as we go down here. All about products, merchandising, building trust, right? Take a look at this, right? It's not just a collection section here, right? We have this interactive, clickable section here. Really cool, again, boosting engagement. We have our color swatches as well. So you're doing print on demand, you're doing apparel drop shipping, perfect theme here. And I know I'm speaking to a lot of you here doing print on demand, right? Absolutely perfect when you have all these different variants, the ability to showcase them in a single click, right? Driving conversion, driving sales. You see other collection areas. You see some great area for interactive video here. You see some things in terms of countdowns. And again, these would be things that would be pretty expensive to add on a monthly basis through apps. So you see all the different features and different sections that we could have. Again, engagement here, right? Not just showing collections, but engaging ways to show collections. Now we have our collection navigation, and of course coming over here to our product page. This is by far my favorite feature of Release, and the product page is by far the most important page on your Shopify store. And what we see here, and again, another thing that you would have an app for, right? A email collection pop-up. This could be a $10 or $20 a month app you're getting included with Release. Really, really great feature set. But look at this product page. We have everything that you could need for products. Of course, you have your, your product title, your pricing, your description, the ability to have a read more, so you can have everything still above the fold. But now we have our different things like swatches and size buttons. We have our quantity. But really what I love is right here, right? We're doing so many things to drive conversion. Of course, we have our basic stuff here, but take a look what we have here. We have stock scarcity to increase conversion rate. We have trust signals here to increase conversion rate, right? Literally, this is an engaging thing. Obviously, it's driving the customer's attention with this animation, talking about all things that a customer would love to see when they're thinking about buying a product, right? Of course, they want to see the photos, they want to see the description and the options, but they want to be sold, they want to be, they want to have their trust increased, free delivery, secure online payment, right? Here's the scarcity to drive sales. Here's more trust icons over here, free return, free climate compensated shipping, 100% secure payments, et cetera, all these great things driving the sale. So again, this is something that you might have to have multiple apps, in fact, to go ahead and add this in. Release has it in here automatically, right? Automatically in here, you see the similar item section, the more info section. You see more brand details here. We have our you may also like section as well, which really just looks good. We have our footer as well, and always adding trust, always adding the feeling that your brand is going to deliver to the customer. We have our social media icons, our credit card trust icons as well. Really everything here is about driving sales, making the customer feel comfortable, and closing the deal, making us money. So you'll be able to try this theme. It's very, very powerful. You even see our little sales countdown right up here in the header, so everyone can see it, and again, show you the product page over here with that great customization. So we're going to jump into the back end now. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to customize the Release theme. So I've just gone ahead and installed the Release theme over here into my store. And what we're going to do now, just like any other Shopify theme, we're going to be able to go over here and click Customize. And this is going to bring up the live preview, the live designer, right, where we're literally able to go and point and click into each different section and customize everything that we want. And this is so powerful here because we're going to have the easy to use interface that Shopify is known for, but we're going to have this really, really cool, really powerful, high converting theme. So as we come through, you see all these different sections. And first thing I want to call attention to, let's say there's just too much stuff here. Let's say you don't want to have all this. Let's say there's only a few features that you want. You could simply go through here and find your different sections, featured products for example, right? We can come over here under featured products, simply just hide it, right? We can turn it off. So you could turn off, turn on all these different sections. You'll be able to add in different sections as well in all the different areas here. So fully customizable. Remember, get exactly what you want out of this theme. And you have all these different features. For example, we have this really interactive marquee-based announcement bar. And you typically see, announcement bars just have static text, but you see here, it's doing that marquee kind of movement. We could also have over here, just make it static if we don't want to have it move at all. But marquee is really cool, just something interactive that we get to have when it comes to really kind of showcasing this. We could have different widths over here in terms of full. You see the different sections that are available over here, giving us the ability to have multiple things inside of this. We, of course, have our theme settings and our color schemes and our custom CSS if you really want to get advanced with all that cool stuff. But we have all these different areas now in terms of options. And I want to showcase things like the localization up here, right? This could be something that you would, spend maybe $20, $30, $40 a month on for a Shopify app to install something just like this, the localization over here, talking about different currencies, different, you see the currency symbol as well. We now have all of this section. This is not just an announcement bar, right? Just up here, this shows the depth, the breadth of features here in the release theme, all these different things. We have a link over here. So going over here to our stores, how about we do something like top sellers, right? And we can go ahead and link in specific collections. How about I go ahead and I do the featured collection, right? We can link that in into the top. And of course, as we save, we see everything updates in real time. And this is a preview of the theme. So it's really powerful. You get to make all these changes without affecting your live site. So really easy to do. Of course, the release theme looks incredible on mobile. You see even the marquee working up here on mobile. Everything is going to fit nicely into a mobile grid. I'm going to go back to the desktop over here, and you could toggle between those two. So it's literally as simple as kind of going through all these things, right? Come over here, we have a text slide. I'll put something like this, how about brand new releases just dropped. Okay, and we can put this over here. We'll save that. And you have all these different slides. You have all these different texts over here. Right here we could say holiday sale coming soon, right? Whatever you want to put in here. And we'll just continuously save our setup. We have another link. Let's say you say, you know what, I don't need another link over here. No problem. We could delete it. Or what I like to do is just hide it so we can maybe come back later, add it in here. Do a countdown timer as well. How about we go over here and set it for October. You see that it updates automatically, right? Look at all this customization that we have. I've just done one little section so far of this site. That's how powerful Release Theme is, just in the announcement bar, way more than you could ever imagine in terms of doing your customizations. So now we're in the header. We have the sticky header, which is really cool. This is going to allow you to see it sticks to the top, really important when people are browsing a long site. We have it transparent as well to make sure that we could see that nice background image. We can go ahead and upload our logo over here. So I'll come over here and I'll just simply drag in my logo, upload that right over there. We'll click done. See that our logo will now be shown right inside of the top section, right inside of our header. We have different menu color options as well, like going with black, but it's really going to depend on the banner image that we select here. You see, as we scroll down here, we have a different sticky color over here. So it really just depends. You see, it's using that transparent background. In fact, that was just an option that we saw over here, right? Transparent header, right? We could do something like that as well. So it really depends on your color scheme, on how you want everything to look. Of course, you have full control over everything when it comes to the release theme. Change our max desktop width for our logo as well. We can make it a little bit bigger if we want, right? You're going to see everything update in real time. Let's make that logo a little bit bigger. Looks good. Okay, logo font size, we're going to keep that one. We have all these additional links that we could add. This is even really cool, create our own custom navigation links. Love this over here, and kind of just gives the ability to really do anything you want on the site. Shopify, very easy to customize. Sometimes you just run into themes that have a little bit of limitation. There are absolutely no limitations here with the release theme. We have our header image card, and this is really powerful as well. We're going to go down here into the template, though. I want to really showcase this. And by the way, let's say for some reason you didn't want to have the announcement bar. Remember, we could just turn it off. Everything just kind of goes back in to the grid nicely, so we have all that. Let's come over to the hero banner. A lot of people love the hero banner over here. One of my favorite features is that we have customizable sizes over here. Really like this. Of course, you have your typical full width banner. A lot of people use this. I like using the full width banner. But you have these other ones as well. You have the split hero banner, which is really cool. You have 70-30 and 30-70, basically just seeing how the page splits over here. Let's say you don't want to have multiple slides. You could turn that off as well if you don't want to have multiple slides going over here, or if you don't want people to control the navigation. Again, everything that you could even change the timing, right? Everything that you can control over here. Very, very easy, very powerful, and it's all inside of the theme editor. So just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to turn off a couple of these slides over here. I'm going to go with our full width banner. I'm going to go ahead and upload our banner over here into the section. You're going to see that this image now uploads into the section. We're going to have some text on top of it though, right? So we're going to come over here. You could also do a video, which is really cool. So we have all these different options in terms of coming over here. We could even have an overlay, which could change how things look in terms of your video. We're not using a video right now. We can come over here. What else? I want to change the text now. Okay, and you see that there's even ability to, inside of each header, change the text, which is really cool. I mean, before we didn't have something like that. It's really, kind of a big change, even though it seems simplistic, right? To be able to change and customize the text within the header that was typically not available inside of other basic Shopify themes. So we have that over here. How about we just say birds are in the air? It's just a little bit of our branding over here. I'm going to turn this off. We don't need that one. And I'll take this off as well. So we just have that. Shop now, explore, right? We can come over here and set our link over here. How about I go to, I'll show our most popular product into that one. Everyone knows our Ejectocito shirt. Okay, and I'm going to save this, and we'll be able to continue to do this, right? We're just going to continue and customize our theme here until we have all of the different sections that we like. And remember, it's as simple as just clicking down over here, right? So we have our call out banner, right? Let's say you say, well, you know, I don't really have much to say in the call out banner. By the way, this is just, I really love this section. Definitely want to put stuff here for branding. But let's say you didn't want to put anything here, say, okay, I'll hide it, okay? Let's say marquees, you know, it's just, I like it, but I don't really want it right now. Okay, no problem, let's hide it. Okay, everything kind of going as we need here. And of course, then we get into some really important sections that any theme needs to have. And this is the merchandising section where we're going to actually showcase our products. And this is going to be, again, full control. You see we have, in this case, just arrived. How about we say something like our best sellers? Okay, and we could say everyone loves these. Right, put something like that. Okay, so we're able to customize everything that we want. We could change the link if we want. We could change the number of products that are shown. We could even turn it into a slideshow for the overflow. Really, really cool. Right, really cool, because all these different settings are just kind of stuff that you would really have to do a lot of development for. It's all built in right here. Of course, we could either go ahead and manually add our products or select a collection. Again, you might think that that's just a basic feature here. This is actually very cool. Almost all featured product sections in Shopify themes only allow you to select a collection. Here we could literally go ahead and individually select. I'm going to go through and find our top selling products, or more importantly for me as a store owner, I'm going to show the products that I want to be featured here. Right? You see the overall idea of why I want to use the release theme. Full control over everything that you want. So again, it's as simple as just going through here, customize this site exactly the way you want. Add more branding, add different collections, add marketing information, add imagery, right? Add text, add testimonials. You could even add your own sections. You have customization all the way down right into the footer as well. Really, really powerful. Another section I want to call out here, trust indicator, right? Put things like fast shipping, easy returns, 100% secure, custom products, right? Whatever you want. Or even maybe put testimonials here. Right? This theme has it all. So that was the release theme. As you saw, just an incredibly beautiful theme. Really, really powerful, really easy to use. Highly recommended. And if you want to see an increase in your conversion rate, if you want to see an increase in sales and profit, you need to check out the release theme. Again, you see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. I know it's going to help boost your sales. Hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks.